Welcome back to Apex Motive Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into something truly futuristic, the all-new 2026 Tesla Model X. This sleek EV represents Tesla's boldest move yet, combining an aggressive exterior with next-gen autonomous features and cutting-edge tech. Its streamlined silhouette, new-age LED lighting design, and sculpted front-end screen performance and luxury. The Model X will be available in dual motor and a highly anticipated Plaid Plus variant, pushing the limits of speed and range. Tesla has clearly designed this as more than just an electric vehicle, it's a mobile AI-powered experience. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the X's interior brilliance, powertrain, real-world driving feel, and whether this could be your next dream EV. Stepping into the Tesla Model X feels like entering a digital sanctuary on wheels. The cabin design follows Tesla's signature minimalist approach but takes it even further with a massive 18-inch OLED display that floats above a tech-sculpted dash. Ambient lighting wraps the interior with futuristic elegance, and the smart glass panoramic roof automatically adjusts its tint depending on sun exposure. The premium vegan leather seats feature biometric memory and built-in heating, cooling, and even massage functions. Rear passengers aren't forgotten. They get a dedicated screen with access to media, climate, and even productivity tools. A newly integrated neural audio sound system surrounds you in rich, adaptive sound. Everything inside the X is smart, intuitive, and designed for the next era of electric luxury. Beneath the polished design of the Model X lies a powerhouse engineered to impress. The standard dual-motor variant rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, while the Plaid Plus version is expected to break the 2-second barrier, hitting 1.9 seconds effortlessly. Tesla introduces a graphene-enhanced battery pack that boosts range up to an impressive 475 miles on a single charge. The new AI drive system automatically adjusts torque, braking, and acceleration based on real-time road data and driver behavior. A refined regenerative braking system offers customizable driving modes, including one-pedal driving for urban efficiency. With OTA updates regularly boosting performance, this is a car that gets faster and smarter over time. Tesla's new performance algorithms make the Model X not just fast, but consistently precise. Driving the Tesla Model X is a seamless fusion of man and machine. Tesla's upgraded Autopilot 5.0 now features full urban self-driving, smart lane changes, and advanced pedestrian recognition. Steering feels incredibly natural, thanks to an adaptive haptic feedback system in the optional yoke or traditional wheel. Ride quality is buttery smooth with its air-adaptive suspension, which continuously recalibrates for terrain, cornering, and speed. Road noise is nearly non-existent thanks to double-insulated glass and active sound cancellation. Whether you're cruising the city or blasting down the highway, the X delivers absolute control, comfort, and confidence. Smart Summon 3.0 takes things a step further by allowing the car to navigate complex parking garages completely on its own. Tesla has turned driving into a fully integrated experience that feels years ahead of its time. So, is the 2026 Tesla Model X worth the hype? In a word, yes. It's not just Tesla's next EV, it's their most complete vision of the future yet. From jaw-dropping speed and stunning range to an interior that redefines digital luxury, the Model X is a marvel of engineering and imagination. Starting at around $74,000, it offers unmatched value for what's essentially a rolling piece of next-gen technology. Whether you're a tech lover, performance driver, or EV enthusiast, this model is going to turn heads. The future is here, and it's moving fast. Let us know in the comments, would you go with the dual motor or are you holding out for that Plaid Plus power? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update from Apex Motive Cars. We'll see you next time in the fast lane.